This is the Trails and Sales event. In Essex County, there are so many different things to see. Trails and Sales promotes them. Every event has to be free and open to anyone and everyone. This event is sponsored by the Lynn Community Association, and we try to highlight one gem of the city of Lynn for each year that this event is held. This year, it's the Grand Army of the Republic building and its meeting hall on the third floor of this building. It is an architectural gem and an historical gem which many people who live in the city of Lynn know nothing about. It's a superior museum representing the Civil War period, and it's amazing what is housed inside this building. And again, if you are a resident of Lynn and have not been here before, you must come to see what is here.
This case behind me is hand carved, if you can see that. And this is called the Grand Army of the Republic building. It was sort of like a VFW today. And if you can see up there, can you see GAR? So you know it now, but you wouldn't have brought it. When I first came here, I was here months before I knew what that said. And all these books in here, for the most part, there's every order that was ever given in the Union armies is in here. Okay. And there was a guy here that brought all these books over here called Henry Cabot Lodge. So he used to see these books that are in covers. Those are he sent them over, and
they're still coming.
Yeah. And, let's see if I can get it. We didn't know what it was because I was cleaning out this bookshelf, and I saw some of these things in behind there, and I didn't know what they were. So as it turned out, this is the way they mailed them in the old days. See, and this is coming from the Honorable Henry Cabot Lodge. They also had the beans up here as a tradition. And if you couldn't afford the 50 cents they charged, you brought a book. That's a true national relic right there. I mean, that was flying over. We're not sure what house or what building it was in Richmond that it flew over, but it flew over the day they surrendered. You have to remember that all the Southern flags, because they were Americans just like us, they're all variations on red, white, and blue. So there was a lot of things. When you talk about 750,000 people dying, in a war, it's more than every war combined in the United States, because they're all Americans. No matter who died, they're American. All these things on the glass case, most of the things down there are all from the ship, the Hartford, which is the flagship of Admiral Farragut. He's the one that said, "Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead." These are all from his ship, because there were a lot of guys from the North Shore on that ship. Yeah, that's a company of sharpshooters. You can see the rifles; they have big telescopic lenses on them. When you're firing 800 yards, you can finally see your target because of the telescopic lens. But all battles in the Civil War are fought during the day, and so the sun hits the lens, the telescope, it blinds you. So they invent sunglasses. See right beside the little soldier. But if you look at it from the side, you can see the little clear spaces in the middle.
The Grand Army of the Republic Museum houses hundreds of artifacts from the Civil War on the first and second floors. However, the museum's crown jewel is a massive main hall on the third floor, measuring 56 feet by 46 feet. Well over 1,000 Civil War veterans were a part of the Grand Army of the Republic at one time, and around the room are over 1,200 portraits of those members. A capstan from the USS Corsage, as well as stuffed eagles given as gifts from other GAR posts, are also found in the room. To find out more about the museum or to visit, call 781-477-7085.